Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Rocky Linux VPS using SSH and fail2ban, full guide step by step clearly. To connect to your Rocky Linux VPS using SSH, start by ensuring you have your server's IP address and login credentials ready. Open your preferred terminal application on your local machine. If you're using Windows, you may need to use an SSH client like PuTTY. For Mac OS or Linux, you can directly use the terminal. In the terminal, type the following command: SSH username at your _server_IP. Replace username with your actual SSH username and your _server_IP with the VPS's IP address. If it's your first time connecting to the server, you'll see a message asking if you want to continue connecting. Type yes and press enter. Next, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type your password and press enter. For security reasons, the password will not be displayed on the screen. Once logged in, you can begin setting up fail2ban. To install fail2ban, first, update your package repository by typing sudo dnf update. After that, install fail2ban by entering sudo dnf install fail2ban y. Once installed, you will need to start the fail2ban service. Use the command sudo systemctl start fail2ban. To ensure fail2ban starts automatically on boot, type sudo systemctl enable fail2ban. Now, let's configure fail2ban for your server. Open the configuration file with your preferred text editor. You can use nano by typing sudo nano /etc/fail2ban/jail.local. If the file does not exist, it will be created automatically. Inside the file, define your desired settings. For a basic setup, you can start with the default jail settings. Save your changes and exit the editor by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally enter. To restart fail2ban and apply your configuration changes, type sudo systemctl restart fail2ban. You can check the status of fail2ban to ensure it is running properly. Use the command sudo systemctl status fail2ban. To view the logs and monitor banned IPs, type sudo fail2ban client status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.